Ever found yourself staring at your Uphold balance, wondering how to transform those digital assets into good old-fashioned cash in your bank account? You're not alone. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency and online platforms can sometimes feel like deciphering a secret code. But don't worry, because today, we're cracking that code together. Uphold has become a popular platform for buying, selling, and holding various cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and even fiat currencies. Its versatility is a major draw, but when it comes time to access your funds, the process might seem a little daunting at first glance. That's why we've put together this straightforward guide to walk you through the different ways you can get your money out of Uphold and into your hands. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch upon the what. Uphold offers several methods for withdrawing your funds, each with its own set of potential fees, processing times, and regional availability. Understanding these options is the first crucial step in choosing the one that best suits your needs. One of the most common methods is withdrawing directly to your bank account. This typically involves linking your bank account to your Uphold account. The process usually requires you to provide your bank name, account number, and routing number. Once linked and verified, you can initiate a withdrawal in your desired fiat currency. Keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on your bank and location, often taking a few business days to reflect in your account. Be sure to check Uphold's fee schedule for any applicable charges associated with bank withdrawals. Another popular option is withdrawing to a debit or credit card. Similar to linking your bank account, you'll need to add your card details to your Uphold profile. This method can sometimes offer faster processing times compared to bank transfers, but it's essential to be aware of potential fees that might be charged by both Uphold and your card issuer. Not all regions support card withdrawals, so it's worth checking if this option is available to you. For those deeply embedded in the crypto world, withdrawing to an external cryptocurrency wallet is another possibility. Uphold allows you to send supported cryptocurrencies to your own wallet address. This gives you greater control over your digital assets. However, it's crucial to double-check the recipient address to avoid any irreversible errors. Network fees, which are charges associated with the blockchain transaction, will also apply. These fees fluctuate depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network congestion. Depending on your region, Uphold might also offer alternative withdrawal methods, such as linking to payment processors or using specific e-wallets. It's always a good idea to explore the available options within your Uphold account to see if there are any convenient alternatives tailored to your location. Regardless of the method you choose, security is paramount. Always ensure that you are using a strong, unique password for your Uphold account and have enabled two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. When initiating a withdrawal, double-check all the details, especially account numbers and wallet addresses, to prevent any loss of funds. Navigating the withdrawal process on Uphold is ultimately about understanding the available options, being aware of potential fees and processing times, and prioritizing security. By taking the time to familiarize yourself with the platform's withdrawal features, you can confidently access your funds whenever you need them. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.